Welcome back to the second part. One day, the crocodile stayed with the monkey longer than usual. Actually, his wife was said that waiting and waiting, managing the little crocodiles that had just been born. She said, "Who is this friend of yours you are so fond of?" Then the crocodile replied, "Oh, he is a very nice monkey. He lives on a fruit tree. He sends fruits for you every day. You don't expect me to climb trees, do you?" "A nice monkey, I'm sure," replied the wife with obvious sarcasm. "If you ask me, this monkey should be my food. I want to eat his heart so much," the crocodile replied. Then the male crocodile said, "What a foolish thing to say!" shouted the crocodile. "I can't kill a friend, though I won't mind a monkey occasionally for a change of taste." "You bring him here," ordered his wife. "I want to see him." Then the male crocodile said, "So you can eat him." "Never ever," declared her husband. His wife was furious and she dived into hide herself at the bottom of the river, leaving the little ones to pester their father. The crocodile was in a serious dilemma. He loved his wife and was very fond of his friend too. So what could he do in such kind of a situation? That neither he can't leave his wife nor he don't want to kill his friend. So he thought and finally he decided to be on the side of his wife. She was his life partner after all. I know it's a bad work and cheating a friend, but husband had no choice at all. He said to himself, "I will invite the monkey home and hope for the best. My wife wants you over for a meal, dear friend," said the crocodile when he visited the monkey next. "And even he said, you must come home with me today." The monkey became so happy that he got one more friend with pleasure. The monkey said, "I'm no swimmer but can ride on your back." And they set out. The monkey said, "I can't swim but I can sit on your back." And it sat. So both the crocodile and the monkey left from the place. In the middle of the river, where there was a little more depth, and water was quite fast. Then the crocodile said, "Sorry, my dear friend." He said, "Sorry, but I have to go underwater now. I have brought you here to kill you. Actually, my wife, she cannot survive without eating your heart." And said goodbye. My God, what happened next? Along with the monkey, let us to see next part, children.